Our world is changing at a breathtaking speed, moving into an era in which more information and more communication open up completely new dimensions. The more information is made available, and the faster this is communicated and processed, the greater the chance for new ideas. And it's ideas that make for success in the future. The discerning factor within this process is the human being, the motivated, the creative, the intelligent human being. His ability will become competition factor number one. And only the company that creates an environment that motivates men, inspires and allows creativity will belong to the successful. We from Durable want to contribute to the success of the future with our products. With product ideas that support creative inspiration, efficiency and willingness for learning. By perfect functions, exemplary design and first-class materials. Products that above all by their quality and by their style optimize the professional performance of their user, and by this, their success. But we from Durable also know success requires responsibility and vision for a peaceful, intact environment and a society worth living in. The longevity and recyclability of our products, a function-based design which avoids wasting material, are therefore essential elements of our company philosophy. And that also is how we understand our new slogan, Durable, the style of success.